Hey guys, and welcome back to another dance tutorial here at Learn How to Dance, where you can find simple, easy, and step-by-step dance tutorials. So today I will be teaching you some easy dance moves that look hard but are really simple and easy to do, so it shouldn't be a problem for you beginners out there. Alright, so for each move I'm going to show you the most simple, easy version of the move, and then I'm going to show you some extra things that you can add to make it look more interesting or hard. Alright, the first move, super simple. Basically I'm just stepping from side to side. So what I'm doing is I'm taking my left leg, saying step to the left, right, step to the left, right, step to the right, left, step to the right. Yes, I'm basically just doing wa, ta, 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 ta. Pretty simple, right? So let's just do an 8 count of those. So I'm starting with my left, stepping to the left, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, now try to bend your knees while you're doing this. So you're saying left, bend your knees, bend your knees, bend your knees, bend your knees. I'm just gonna show you from the side here. So I'm saying bend my knees, bend my knees, bend my knees, bend my knees. Alright, let's try that again. So stepping to our left to begin with. 7, 8, we go. Bend, knees, bend, knees, bend, knees, bend, knees. Now you can add some arms. So I want to say, stepping with my left, I'm saying whoa, here. Yeah, so starting by taking my left up here. Then I want to say down, and then I want to switch and say right. So I did whoom, ta, whoom, ta, whoom, ta, whoom, ta. So again, I'm saying whoom, ta, whoom, ta, whoom, ta, whoom, ta. And you can bounce as much as you want, yeah? So let's just try that. 7, 8, we go. Whoom, ta, whoom, ta, whoom, ta, whoom, ta. Now what you can also do is just stepping on the spot. So you're saying left, right, right, left. Yes, I'm basically just stepping on same spot. So you can add the bounce, bending your knees as well. You can also add the arms. So you're saying whoom, ta, whoom, ta, whoom, ta, whoom, ta. And you can also do it to the side. So you can say whoom, ta, whoom, ta, whoom, ta, whoom, ta. Notice that when I'm leaning to my side, for instance here, all my weight is on my right. Now all my weight is on my left. All my weight is on my right. All my weight is on my left. Let's just try that. So starting to our left, we want to go down. 5, 6, 7, 8, down, ta, and right, and left, and right. Now, if you want to do some other arms, you can do starting here, whoom, and whoom, and whoom, and whoom. Pretty simple, right? So what you want to do is you want to start here, whoom, and then when you're stepping with your right, you want to go over to that side, and then you want to say step, over to the other side, and then you want to go step, here, so you wait 1 count, yeah, so step, here, wait, here, wait, here, wait, here, wait, here, wait, here. Let's just try 1 of those. So 5, 6, 7, 8, you go whoom, ta, wait, ta, wait, ta, wait, ta. Alright, easy dance move number 2. You're basically just jumping from side to side. Yeah, so what you're doing is just saying jump to the left. And notice whenever you jump, your knees are sort of bent when you land. And then you want to say straighten them. And at the same time, you're also kind of leaning a bit forward here. So you want to do the same to the other side. You want to say jump, lean, jump. Yeah, and you want to push your hip back here, whoop, and hip, and hip, and hip, and hip. Let's just try that again. So starting to our left, we're saying 7, 8. We go jump up, jump up, jump up. Remember the lead. All right. Next thing you want to do is say arms. You could do out here, and then you want to say whoa. Yes, and my right is saying to the front. My left goes here behind me. Boom, opposite, boom, opposite, boom, opposite. It's as if you are grabbing something. Boom, grab, boom, grab, boom, grab. Alright, now with the jump, I'm gonna say jump, and whoop, and jump, and whoop, and jump, and whoop, jump, whoop. Let's just try that, starting to our left. So 5, 6, 7, 8, we go jump, grab, jump, grab, jump, grab, jump, grab. Alright, easy dance move number 3. So basically you're just walking in a circle, starting by taking your left and saying cross over here, or maybe a bit more into the front, and then you want to say right goes around, cross. So let's just do that again. I'm saying left here, right here. From here I want to take my left back, so I'm saying left, and then right goes to the start position. Yeah? Alright, so let's try that again. So starting with our left, we say cross, now right goes round here, now left again, the one that's behind, I'm saying step back, left, sorry, right, step back. So again, starting with our left, we're saying and step, right, step, left, back, right, back. Yeah, 2 to the front, 2 to the back. And remember, always switch from left to right, left to right. So again, 5, 6, 7, 8, right, sorry, left, right, left, right. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, left, right, left, right. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, front, back, back, 5, 6, 7, 8, front, back, back. Now, remember, you don't have to exaggerate in the beginning, just take small steps. Yeah? Now, just like with all other moves, you can go a bit more down in level. So instead of being up here, you can go down. And you can add a bounce to it. Bounce, bounce, bounce. I'm doing up, down. So I'm doing boom, 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 boom. Let's try that. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go down, 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 down. 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom, 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 boom. Now for the arms, you can do whatever. You can do shoulder, 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 shoulder. So I'm saying, let's just do right shoulder up. So I'm saying up, switch, switch, switch. So again, 5, 6, 7, 8, shoulder, 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 shoulder. 5, 6, 7, 8, shoulder, 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 shoulder. Or you can do whatever. Yeah? Or you can do, let's see. Yeah, you can even do that. You can also add some advanced arm combo into it if you want. You can go cross, out, hit, down, cross, out, hit, down, cross, out, hit, down. Now so far we've only done stepping to the left, so we're going counterclockwise, right? You can also do it the opposite way, so you can just step right, left, here, here. Yeah, so again, with our right, we say front, left, front, right, back, left, back. And you can keep doing this clockwise, and you can stop and go opposite and opposite. Alright guys, that's it for this dance tutorial of how to do some easy dance moves that you can use either in your freestyle, your dance choreography, or at a club, party, whatever you like. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.